Sorted. Yeah, so we're just gonna get in the. I'm gonna try and fly away. We've negotiated a 20-second head start, and they're gonna chase me and try to kill me before I can get to the airport. So I will majestically start. Yeah. I haven't got you through the telly. Tate. I don't feel going to be that loud because I haven't changed the settings. I'm so organised.
But what's the plan? Do we go missiles or do we
go no lock on. See if you can do it no lock on. Because lock on is just going to wreck my world.
Lock on will be.
Lock on is going on J. Wookiee's going on J.
Yeah, don't lock on to me because I can already see you already. Flying.
It'd be really annoying if we just accidentally shoot each other.
That wouldn't be annoying. That'd be quite fun.
You know what I hate? The fact that they screwed up the camera angles you've got with the helicopters.
Yeah, the helicopters are like all squared, you know.
But oh my god, go into, keep pressing the back button until you go into this weird camera angle with like a scope on it. Oh my god, that is awesome.
Go big or go home.
Oh, I don't like that.
Fucking nailed it.
It's just crashed.
I've just done. Oh god, there's the army base. Guys, be careful. Remember, no lock on, no lock on. Oh god. I swear I'm going the wrong way.
I did, just shut down Jay.
Thanks. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Can you hear any lock-on things come on you?
It's fine, fast.
Oh god, I'm going into that weird place. Let's be going to the airport. Oh, what
oh, rocket!
Oh my god!
Am I going? I'm not going the right way. Oh, he's done a strafe. Come at me, bro! Badoo, badoo. That's a great view. That's actually a really nice view. That's also a helicopter. Oh dear! Taking hits. Taking hits! Right, let's go this way. Okay. Oh my god! So much for no lock on, but you still kill me.